Oh, shucks. Me and Pluto are going for a handcar ride. Yeah, I know my Goofy imitation isn't too good, but anyway, I did repair this Marx handcar. It was missing the handle on the back for Goofy, and also the 2 wires that go to the pickups to the coil were fried. That happens a lot. The Marx used a really thin wire there, but usually if the wires are fried, it means the armature's good. So I just ran new wiring and got it running really good. And then when I got the characters, they're Lionel. I got them from Trains on eBay. I just widened out the Marx slots that Marx put for their men, just wide enough to put the Lionel characters in there and just slid them right in, and it worked out well. So I got it running good, and we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. It's a really good running handcar. I also put new motor brushes in it. That always helps quite a lot with these. You can find those on eBay too, relatively cheap. There's about 5 pair for 12 bucks. So and this time we'll follow them around a little bit. And we'll put the camera back down, try not to shake too much here. There we go. All right, runs really good. I like the old Disney characters, and I've got a train show that I'm going to set up for, so I want to have things that kids recognize. And so anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.